going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm still waiting for that checkpoint. But anyway, I'm making it. Today, we're doing up S&S's brisket rub. It's their competition blend beef. That's what we're doing today. We're going to put it on some New York strips, cook it indirect, then throw it over the fire to sear them off. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. The ingredients for the S&S Competition Blend Brisket Rub Review. Of course, S&S's Competition Blend Brisket Rub, which is their beef rub, some olive oil, and some New York strip steaks. First, going to go ahead and put down a little bit of olive oil on each one. Flip them over. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it up with that S&S brisket blend. We're going to put it on the smoker and let it go to 110 degrees. Then we're going to go ahead and sear them off. To a nice 125. I'm going to smoke it with some Jack Daniel's wood chips. We're going to go ahead and throw these steaks on the grill. I'm doing the indirect side. Going to go ahead and throw right now, that steak is reading 68 degrees. We're at 110. Took about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull 2 steaks off. We're going to go ahead and put 2 steaks over there. Listen to that sizzle. Oh yeah, this is going to be real good. And they done. Let's go ahead and pull these 2 off. We're going to go ahead and tent those 2 with some foil. And we're done. Quick note for you. As you pull your steaks off and let them rest, go ahead and sprinkle on a little extra seasoning so all that salt and pepper and garlic can go ahead and melt into the steaks as they rest. Go ahead for a quick bite. Sure looks good. Melts right in the mouth. All that salt, pepper, garlic, onions, a little bit of paprika, just right amount of pop. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Also, pick you up some of that S&S competition brisket rub. You won't be disappointed. Thank you. Have a good day.